Hello and welcome to Garden Amaze. In this video I am going to share how I grow this pothos very long. I love hanging plants and this is the best plant and easy plant to grow. These are the neon pothos. These are also called as money plant. There are many varieties in this. This is neon color. I got a small stand which I fixed on the pillar and I put a small pot inside it. There are two pots, you can see it. And the plant is hanging till the bottom. Now look at this. This plant is hanging till bottom, so I have folded it up. Everybody will get this length, but make sure there should not be anything in between that will stop the growth or which will divert the growth. It should just hang down. This is a plant which is hanging on one more pillar, but this is not doing well. Sometimes I also fail. Let's see what can I do to save this. It needs some treatment and attention now. You can fold and make it look bushier like this, but now I am not going to do with this plant. I will show you what I am going to do with this. I love this length. I waited a long for this length, so I am going to maintain it. Oh my god, this is fully root bound. Hardly soil is there. Now let's cut from here. Make sure you use sterile and clean cutter. Now I am going to repot this plant. I have a mixture of coco peat, soil and good fertilizer. Remember one thing, this plant needs good fertilizer. You can use any organic fertilizer. I am going to cut these roots as well. You don't have to worry or scared about cutting roots. You can cut it into half. Now it's ready to plant. You can put it in this pot and plant it. And trust me, this will give really good result. This long vine I am going to use it because it takes long time to grow. I am going to take those part where there are many leaves and the rest part I will also use it, but I will use it for water propagation. And this I am going to put it in water for a few days till it root, and then I am going to plant it directly in a pot. You can put as much as you can. And the rest all I am going to use for water propagation, and also I am going to put some in soil. But the one which has leaves I am going to do it in water. This full stem without leaves I am going to put it in soil, and few I am going to put it for water propagation. I am just going to put it in a glass of water. This is soil and water propagation. Now one more method I have. So this is one string. This is like, I am going to rotate it, root side down and leaf side up. And I am just going to put it in soil. You can either do this way also. This will also give a good look in your pot. But make sure you keep it in indirect sunlight so that it doesn't dry up. If you keep it in direct sunlight, these leaves will dry. So whenever you propagate anything, you have to keep it in indirect sunlight. After few days you will get this look, and then it will hang also, but this bushy looks also look very nice on table. These are 2-3 plants which I got from nursery. So I have cut a single leaf. This way you can see some root below it. So I am going to plant it now. Few I am going to do it in soil and few I am going to do in water. Soil you don't have to look after it, you can just put water regular base, but when you propagate indoor in water, be careful, you have to change the water every day. I change it every day. If you forgot to change, you can change within 2 days. Few leaves I planted and few I kept it on my table. I just put it in a glass of water and it is looking very beautiful. I hope you enjoy seeing my video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much. Have a great day.